guys, welcome back to my channel. Shara here with another video. I will be unboxing the Telfar bag that I got from Stockx. Now I have only been ordering from Stockx again, solely Stockx, after I got scammed from another website, Mercari, which I already knew I was taking a risk, but I got scammed from Mercari. So I have only been ordering from Stockx as of lately because they do authenticate their items. So yes, just to let you know. But today I'll be unboxing the Telfar medium bag in white. So yes, this is the box that it came in. Yes, it didn't take long, maybe like a week, maybe a little longer, but not too long. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Oh, here she is, looking as she should. I'm so excited. Now y'all should see the other bag that I got. Oh my god, it was not right. I opened it and I knew exactly, I knew immediately that it was fake. I was like, yeah, it was bad. But anyways, I got this off of StockX and I paid $315.93. The purchase price of the bag is $265. So you can see it right there. You see the purchase price right there is $265 at the top, $265. But yeah, $265 is the purchase price for this bag. The sales tax is $22.73, and then the processing fee is $13.25, and shipping was $14.95. Now they do charge you for authenticating your bags here, so I think that's part of the processing fee, if I'm not sure, but I know there is a fee for them basically authenticating the bags, which Mercari doesn't have. Now they will have the seller send it to them, they authenticate the bag, and then they send it out to you. So that's why I like StockX. But you're gonna pay, you're definitely gonna pay with StockX. Okay, so this is the plastic that it came in. Okay, and then this is the dust bag. Yeah, so this is the dust bag, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull her out. She's all white, bright white. Yes, and I got this in a medium. This is one that I wouldn't mind having in a oh, it's so bright in here, so she is looking extra bright. My ring light and all that got it looking extra bright. Oh, okay, now I want to change lighting. But yeah, that is it. She is nice. I could tell it's quality. The stitching, everything looks good. So I'm sorry, it's going in and out, but it looks good. Stitching. Yes, this is the back. This is a medium. Now I thought about getting the mini, but I didn't want to get that one. I had a look that I was going to do with this one. Okay, now here's the StockX tag. This is saying that it is verified authentic, which is nice. They put that on there after they check it out for you. Yeah, so okay, these are it has little Telfar on the straps. Nice. So if you didn't, I have the gray one as well. So I have that video out as well. The gray one, which I've been liking. I took that one to California and it was so convenient. These, at first I didn't really like these long straps. I'm like, you might as well just have these on there and not put these crossbody straps because it's a medium bag. But when I was in California, I was happy those straps was on there because I was hiking up the to see the Hollywood sign, and it was just really convenient. Your laptop can fit in this. I use it as a carry-on, the gray one as a carry-on going to California, so I like these crossbody straps for sure. But yes, this is her. She is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna open her up. So like I said, your laptop can go in here. It's really nice. And yeah, I like that about this bag a lot. So it's like definitely like a work bag. I guess you could consider it a work bag. Sorry, they was being loud outside. Okay, now this is the inside. Oh, it's kind of like a, is that white or a cream inside? I can't tell. It looks white, I guess. But yeah, that's the inside. It has like a little zipper area, the little Telfar tag in there. Nice, sizable. Yeah, I like that a lot. Nice. But you gotta make sure you keep this one clean, because white, ooh, me and white, no, we ain't good together. It has a nice little sizable compartment in here too. Has a Telfar tag on there. Yeah, so I'm really liking this. It looks like it's good quality. It looks like it's real. That's all that matters. And especially for paying a good price for it, you want it to be real. And yeah, I like it a lot. So I'm really excited about this bag because I have a look that I plan on wearing with it. So yeah, so I also have a mini. If you haven't checked out any of my other videos, if you're new here, make sure you check out my mini. I have a mini and it's silver. It's so cute, and I got that off of Mercari, but that one was real, so I tried it again and then it all went bad. So I'm not going to recommend Mercari to you guys because it's too risky. So I would say Stockx. Yep, so this is she, this is her. This is the Telfar medium in white, and she looks really nice. I'm liking this. It really stands out. I like that. It's gonna be nice for the springtime. I guess you could wear it anytime, maybe winter, but definitely spring is gonna be nice. I have an outfit I have planned to wear with this, so I'm happy it came. And make sure you check me out on Instagram because I am going to be posting a picture that I wear this with. And I'm at @Chanel_. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm going to be posting more videos soon. And I just have fun. I have hair videos. I've been vlogging lately. Unboxings, of course. And try-on hauls. So make sure you subscribe and like the video if you like this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, bye.